Now let's explore the interface of Animaker. Now click on horizontal video. Click on blank. We will start with a blank project. So this is our canvas. We will create projects over here. From here we will add scenes to our project, and from the right side this is our toolbar. You can add solid colors to your background. Click on delete all to delete that background color. Now from here you can see already made templates. You can choose any of the templates from here and then add it according to your needs. And next you can add different elements from here. You can search furniture, icons, emojis and frames, whatever you want. You can also search your element in the search bar. Now from here you can add different text to your project. You can see already made templates here, and from here you can add some background. These are animated backgrounds. Just click on view all to see all of the related backgrounds from here. Now from here you can add images. Just like this you can add videos to your projects from here. You can also add some songs or music to your project from here. Now from here you can add different effects to your videos. Let's select this one. We need to upgrade to use these pro effects. Let's just only use the free elements. So this is your timeline. You can adjust the scenes, time, duration and animation from here. Click on overall timeline and then click and simply drag to adjust the timing of the scene. You can also adjust the time duration of the effects you have applied to this. If you want to delete this scene, just simply click this trash bin.